Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're tackling a project that's close to my heart, making your wood cook stove work as hard as it should. You see, a lot of folks, they think a wood stove is just about throwing in some logs and hoping for the best. But let me tell you, there's a whole lot more to it than that. We're talking about maximizing efficiency, squeezing every last bit of heat out of that fire. That means more warmth for your home, lower heating costs, and let's be honest, a happier family all around. And trust me, when it comes to your home, doing things right the first time is crucial. So we're going to walk through the top 5 upgrades you can make to your wood cook stove to boost its efficiency. We're talking chimney liners, stovepipe insulation, air intake optimization, fire brick lining, and baffle systems. Stick around because we're about to turn your stove from a heat waster into a heat blasting machine. All right, let's talk chimneys. These often overlooked structures play a vital role in the efficiency and safety of your wood stove system. Now, your chimney is like the backbone of your wood stove system. It's not just a simple pipe. It's a complex structure that ensures your stove operates smoothly. It's responsible for pulling the smoke out of your house, and that's crucial for safety and efficiency. Without a properly functioning chimney, smoke and harmful gases could linger inside your home. But here's the thing, a lot of older chimneys, they weren't built for the demands of modern stoves. These older structures can struggle to keep up with the higher efficiency and hotter fires of today's wood stoves. That's where a chimney liner comes in. This modern addition can make a world of difference in how your chimney performs. Think of a chimney liner like a smooth, insulated tunnel for the smoke to travel through. It's designed to withstand high temperatures and corrosive byproducts of combustion. It improves the draft, meaning the smoke gets pulled up and out more efficiently. A better draft means your stove burns hotter and cleaner. That means a hotter fire, less creosote buildup, and a safer home overall. Creosote is a flammable substance that can accumulate in your chimney, so reducing it is key to preventing chimney fires. Now, you've got a couple of options when it comes to chimney liners: stainless steel and flexible aluminum. Each has its own set of advantages. Stainless steel is the gold standard. It's incredibly durable, resistant to corrosion, and can handle the high temperatures of a roaring fire without breaking a sweat. It's durable, resistant to corrosion, and can handle the high temperatures of a roaring fire. This makes it a long-lasting solution for your chimney needs. Flexible aluminum is a more budget-friendly option, and it's great for chimneys with bends or offsets. Its flexibility allows it to navigate the twists and turns of older chimneys more easily. Installing a chimney liner, it's not rocket science, but it's a job best left to a professional, especially if you're dealing with an older chimney. Professionals have the tools and expertise to ensure the job is done right. You want to make sure it's installed correctly and up to code. Safety first, folks. A properly installed chimney liner not only improves efficiency, but also ensures your home remains safe from potential fire hazards. Now that we've got the chimney sorted, let's talk about the stovepipe. The stovepipe is a crucial component of your heating system, often overlooked but incredibly important. It serves as the bridge between your stove and the chimney, guiding the smoke and gases safely out of your home. This is the metal pipe that connects your stove to the chimney, and it's a major source of heat loss if it's not insulated properly. Without proper insulation, the heat that should be warming your home is instead escaping through the metal pipe, leading to inefficiencies and higher fuel consumption. Think about it. You're losing all that precious heat right through the metal. This not only makes your stove work harder, but also means you're burning more wood than necessary, which isn't great for your wallet or the environment. Insulating your stovepipe is like putting a warm blanket around it. This simple step can make a significant difference in how efficiently your stove heats your home. It keeps the heat inside the pipe where it belongs instead of letting it escape into your attic or crawl space. This means more heat stays in your living space, making your home cozier and more comfortable. This means your stove heats your home more effectively, and you burn less wood in the process. Not only does this save you money, but it also reduces the amount of work you need to do to keep your stove running. You've got a few options for stovepipe insulation: fiberglass wraps, ceramic blankets, and double-walled insulated pipes. Each of these options has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Fiberglass wraps are the most affordable, but they can be a bit messy to install. They require careful handling to avoid irritation and ensure a snug fit around the pipe. Ceramic blankets offer better insulation, providing a higher level of heat retention. They are a bit more expensive than fiberglass, but are easier to handle and install. And double-walled pipes are the most efficient, but also the priciest. These pipes have an inner and outer layer with insulation in between, offering superior heat retention and safety. Installing stovepipe insulation is a relatively straightforward job. With the right tools and materials, you can complete the task in a few hours, ensuring your home stays warm and your heating system runs efficiently. Just make sure you get the right size for your pipe and wear protective gear when handling insulation materials. Safety should always be your top priority when working with these materials. And remember, a well-insulated stovepipe means a warmer home and a happier wallet. By taking the time to properly insulate your stovepipe, you're investing in the comfort and efficiency of your home for years to come. Let's talk about air intake. It's a crucial element that often gets overlooked when it comes to maintaining an efficient and clean-burning wood stove. You see, your wood stove needs a constant supply of fresh air to keep the fire burning efficiently. This fresh air is what fuels the combustion process, allowing the wood to burn hotter and cleaner. Without it, you're choking the fire, leading to incomplete combustion, more smoke, and less heat. Incomplete combustion not only wastes fuel, but also produces more creosote, which can build up in your chimney and become a fire hazard. Now, most modern wood stoves come with adjustable air intakes. These allow you to fine-tune the amount of air entering the stove, giving you greater control over the fire's intensity and efficiency. This allows you to control the amount of air that feeds the fire, which is crucial for optimizing efficiency. By adjusting the air intake, you can ensure that your fire burns at the right temperature, producing more heat and less smoke. You want to find that sweet spot where the fire is burning hot and clean with minimal smoke. A well-adjusted air intake can make a significant difference in how well your stove performs. There are a few different air intake designs out there, but the most common are the bottom draft and the top draft. Each design has its own unique way of introducing air into the combustion chamber. Bottom draft intakes draw air from beneath the fire, which can help to ignite the wood more quickly and maintain a steady burn, while top draft intakes pull air in from above, which can help to reduce smoke and improve the overall efficiency of the burn. Each design has its pros and cons, so it's important to understand how your stove's air intake system works. Knowing the specifics of your stove's design can help you make better adjustments. Experiment with your air intake settings to find what works best for your stove and your burning habits. It might take a bit of trial and error, but the results are worth it. Start with the manufacturer's recommendations and adjust from there. These guidelines are a great starting point, but every stove and every home is different. Remember, a well-tuned air intake is like giving your stove a breath of fresh air. It keeps the fire lively, the heat strong, and the smoke minimal, ensuring a cozy and efficient burn every time. Now let's talk about the heart of your wood stove, the firebox. This is where the magic happens, where wood turns into heat. And to make sure that heat stays put, we're going to talk about fire brick lining. Fire brick is a special type of brick designed to withstand the intense heat of a wood stove. It acts like a thermal battery, absorbing heat from the fire and radiating it back into the room long after the fire has died down. There are different types of fire brick available, each with its own heat resistance and durability. You've got your standard fire brick, which is great for most applications, and then you've got your high-duty fire brick, which is designed for even higher temperatures. Installing fire brick lining is like building a fortress of heat inside your stove. It creates a more efficient burn, reduces heat loss, and protects the metal body of your stove from damage. Finally, let's talk about baffle systems. Now, baffles are like traffic cops for the hot gases inside your stove. They direct the flow of those gases, making sure they spend more time heating the stove and your home instead of just shooting straight up the chimney. Think of it like this: without a baffle system, the hot gases from the fire take the express lane out of your stove. But with a baffle system, we're putting them through a maze. making them work harder to heat your home. There are a few different baffle designs out there, each with its own advantages. You've got your simple plate baffles, which are easy to install and maintain, and then you've got your more complex systems, which offer even greater efficiency. Installing a baffle system is like fine-tuning your stove's performance. It ensures that the heat generated by the fire is used to its full potential, keeping your home warm and cozy all winter long. So there you have it, folks. 5 upgrades that can make a world of difference in the efficiency of your wood cook stove. We talked about chimney liners, stovepipe insulation, air intake optimization, fire brick lining and baffle systems. Each one of these upgrades plays a crucial role in maximizing the heat output of your stove, saving you money and keeping your home warm and comfortable. Remember, it's not just about throwing logs on a fire, it's about doing things right. By making these upgrades, you're not only improving the efficiency of your stove, but you're also increasing its lifespan and ensuring the safety of your home. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you made any of these upgrades to your wood stove? What kind of results have you seen? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. And remember, when it comes to your home, make it right.